Hello, Facebook. Let me make sure that this is even on, if I can even hear myself, if everybody can hear me. Give me the hashtag live, hashtag replay to let me know when you're watching this so that I can talk to you and I can answer questions. I can do a few things. So let's see here. Let me make sure I'm even on right now so I'm not just talking to myself. Let's see. Oh, it looks like, oh, that's a horrible voice there. I am on. Okay, good. So, if you're here, give me the hashtag live. If you're watching this on the replay, give me the hashtag replay to let me know when you're watching this. I'm the infamous Joel, and we're going to get into this. This is a special training where I'm going to teach you how to go from brain fog to epic course idea that sells. So, first things first, typically, here's the biggest problem I see out there for a lot of course creators or pending course creators, aspiring course creators. What do I always see? I always see that they don't know how to translate what they know into a course. And I'm serious about this. It might seem simple, right? It might seem like a no-brainer. It might seem like, oh, well, I mean, all you need to do is brain dump a bunch of stuff into a course, make 800 hours of videos and documents and booklets and that's it, right? That's like a $10,000 course, right? It has all this stuff. No, absolutely not. Absolutely not. That's actually the worst way you could possibly make a course is just brain dump every single thing you know on the planet into a course. I talk to leads all day, every day. I talk to you guys in the group. I talk to people in the community. I talk to prospects. I talk to clients. I talk to all kinds of people. And and guess what? They all have this idea. I'm like, hey, so what do you do for your clients? What do you do in your course? What do you do in your teaching, in your education? Well, and they start listing this giant, enormous epilogue of crap. Well, it's like, well, I teach them to live their best life and enjoy sunshine and rainbows and how to really dig deep down and develop self confidence and esteem so that they can, see the light at the end of the tunnel. And I don't know. They just go on and tell me this giant, long paragraph of what they actually do for people. And I'm like, great. Got any sales yet? No. Gee, I wonder why. Let this be a lesson. You cannot be everything to everybody. We're going to talk about how you can take your ideas, your knowledge, what's in your head, and make it very, very specific. Okay? Next thing is that they don't know how to define their audience's problem. This might be you right now. They don't know how to define their audience's problem. What's your audience's problem? I don't know. They don't like stuff, or they really hate life right now. Okay, yeah, but specifically, what is their problem? Oh, I don't know. What do you mean by that? I mean specifically, what is their problem? If I walk into a room and God forbid I stub my toe on the side of the door, I hate when that happens. Give me a comment down below if that ever happens to you and you hate when that happens. But what happens, right? You stub your toe on that door. That is your specific problem. If I ask somebody, God damn it, my toe, oh shit, what's happening? Right? And I say, well, what's your problem? Ah, I stubbed my toe. It hurts like a bitch. That's their problem. Right now, that's what's happening. So if you cannot define exactly what your audience's main problem is, what that one pinpoint main number one thing, what is that thing? If you can't define that, you can't come up with a solution. You don't have a course. Okay, you don't have a course. You just have a bunch of knowledge. You just have Google. That's what you have. You have Google. You have information everywhere. Next, they don't know how their course will solve that problem. This might be you. Pay attention. This might be you. You don't know how your course will solve that problem. And that's a big problem, right? That's the biggest problem you can have. If you don't know how to match your course correctly with someone's problem, you don't have a course business. And the end result, if you don't have any of these set up properly, is you don't have a course business and you have analysis paralysis. Give me a hashtag analysis paralysis down in the comment section if this is you. If you've ever even gone through it. I've gone through it. I'll give you that. I'll give you that. I probably can't spell the whole thing right now. I'm gonna do hashtag AP. Okay? Hashtag AP. I've had it. It's normal. You get analysis paralysis. Means you don't really move anywhere. You just kind of sit there. You have a bunch of ideas, and you're like, I'm not sure where to start. I don't know what to do. This guru's telling me this and that. My neighbors are telling me this. My mom tells me I'm good at that. I don't know what to do. I have all these ideas. I don't know where to start. It happens. So what's the solution to this problem? What's the solution? I call this the premium course sentence. Remember how I said that I talk to people all day, every day, and I say, well, what's your course idea? What's your course topic? What's it about? And they go on and tell me some long ass paragraph, some long story, and they put me to sleep, right? Instead, shorten that down to this one sentence. It's, I help niche get desire without obstacle by new method. That's it. If you can do that, you have a really powerful, very valuable course. Want to see an example? This is one I just worked on with a client, a private client recently in my premium course program. And she's a real estate investor and did a little bit of a brain dump session and figured out, okay, what is it that you can do? What's their specific problem? What is some skill or something that you know that maybe will be beneficial to your audience? So we came up with this sentence. It's, I help retired veterans get flip real estate without risking their own money by the 90-day flip method, which is just kind of a fancy name we came up with for her method. That's her course. You see how much easier it is to market that? You see how much easier it is to sell it? You see how her target market, retired veterans, might see that and jump on it? It's not some long paragraph and a bunch of information about a bunch of different things. It's one specific outcome. It's easy for them to say, I'd spend money on that. That sounds awesome. All right. Here's one that I used myself in one of my older businesses. Here's one that I used myself. It worked very well. I was able to scale this to 6 figures. It's, I help overworked parents quit their 9 to 5 without confusion and overwhelm by affiliate marketing. See how that works? So in order for them to get that thing, which is quit their 9 to 5, and avoid that thing that they don't want, which is confusion and overwhelm, I taught them affiliate marketing. But who's my audience? Overworked parents. A lot of you, and you're promoting a course, you're pitching a course, you're trying to get your coaching sold, whatever it is, you're just aiming at everybody. Stop that. No. Figure out who your audience is. Who would need this the most? Who would want this the most? How does this solve their problem? What problem are they having? It's super damaging to any business if you don't know who it is you serve. If you just serve everybody, you're going to be working like a dog. You want to work smarter, not harder. So in 2019, I came home and I scaled an affiliate marketing course to 6 figures in just 7 months. And I coached other affiliate marketers to success. You see some of my affiliates there in my program. Okay? There you go. Simple, right? Because I was very specific in who I served. Very, very specific. And I had a very specific solution to their problem. Now, here's proof, because I get this all the time. They say, well, I don't have a make money online or make money, real estate, whatever. I don't have that kind of niche. I don't have that kind of expertise. I don't know anything about that stuff. So I can't sell a course. This is proof that you don't need any of that. This is Neil. He's a music teacher, and he sells music teaching stuff, coaching, courses. And as you can see, he makes a full-time income online, and he worked with me. I helped him set it up, and he's perfectly fine. He's perfectly happy. You don't have to be some make money guru. He just teaches music, and it works out just fine for him. It's not the niche that matters, it's your audience and how you can help them avoid something they don't want to deal with and what solution you're offering. That's it. Okay? Now, I'm going to quickly leave the floor to questions. I do see some people in here, but you're a little late, so if you want, you can go back to the beginning of this and watch the replay. But I will ask you if you have any questions before I head out of here. If not, wait until Wednesday when I do my live Q&As at 5 p.m. Eastern inside this group. So, do you have any questions for me? Give me questions down in the comment section if you have them. If you don't, I'm out of here because I got to go eat dinner. And hopefully that was helpful to you. Give me the hashtag value if that was helpful to you. I will continue to make these every Saturday, give you some training, give you some ideas, give you some direction on where to go with your course business. I never want to leave you hanging. Okay, I don't see any questions. So, if you're on the replay, still feel free to ask question. I will go ahead and I'll still answer it in the comment section. And until then, I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.